In this quick video I will show you how to add a text watermark or image watermark to Capcut. So firstly add a video to your Capcut. I'm gonna use this one. And now on the top click on text and add here your text, which will be your watermark. Adjust the range and change your text to your watermark. This is gonna be your watermark. You can change the color. Now scroll down here and find blend settings and lower the opacity here. And this was how to create a text watermark in Capcut. It will look like this. You can place it whenever you want. Also make it more visible or less visible, and it will look like this. You can also add an image as a watermark. I'm gonna add my image to this project. Repeat the process. Place the watermark where you want. Now adjust the opacity to lower, and this was how to create an image watermark in Capcut. I hope you find it helpful, guys. See ya next time.